Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Red Dirt Rods. Now today I am doing something a little bit different. We have our 67 MGB GT project that we released a couple of weeks ago, talking about it and getting it running and driving around. We're ready to get started on this thing, but in order to do so, we needed some parts. So we called up Moss Motors and we ordered a ton of parts. And the first thing they shipped us was the stuff that we needed to get started with, which is metal, wiring, things like that. I have two giant boxes sitting over here. One right here, one over here on a pallet. We're gonna open these up and see what we got. Come on. All right guys, we got our shop dog Culver over here to help us. Now this is the big one. This one they said weighed about 140 pounds, something like that. Let's find out what's in here. Oh, it's bubble wrap, okay. All right, first things first, we've got, looks like some jacking points. We need to replace those. Looks like the other jacking points. These are Hella glass replacement bulbs. So what's nice about these is these aren't sealed beams. So this is a glass housing that you can put a 9003 or HB2 bulb in, so that you can keep the same bulb and just replace the housing, or you can keep the housing and just replace the bulb. I love these. We got a couple of these in here. See, we got a patch panel. This is the right-hand rear dogleg panel. Got a paper bag. It's got a fuel level sender in it. Looks like a small glass bulb and a new ignition barrel for our key cylinder that seems a little wonky in the car. Let's see, now this one I'm excited about. This is a brand new cloth wiring harness. One of the best things you can do for your British sports car is get the Lucas out of it, and that's gonna be part of it. And this is cloth, so it looks original, and it's got all the terminals, super easy. I love doing wiring. This should be a fun one. All right. Now our box did have some damage right here. Like, it looks like a forklift, you know, put it in the, you know, went through or something. So, don't know if we've got any damage, but we'll see. All right, so this is the left-hand front fender patch. So we got that. Feels pretty good. Feels like good quality. This is going to be the right hand. Now, I can see right here that on that box there was some damage. It's really light. I can work that out by hand. I'm not going to worry about that. We'll still use it. Anytime you ship sheet metal, it can happen. Then this is going to be a rear quarter skin, a piece of it anyways. We don't need to completely skin our car, so we're just replacing the bare minimum. I like to keep as much original sheet metal as possible. Let's see here. We've got, looks like some cross member repair sections. We don't know how bad the rust is underneath the car, and on MGBs you never really know until you actually start cutting stuff away, because they rust from the inside out. So we went ahead and ordered the bulk of what we need, so that hopefully we've got everything. And then this is a new rear valance. That should be nice. Let's see, then we've got, these are the inner sills. We've got two of those. Alright, now we got some heavy stuff here. Alright, this is the This is going to be the castle section, right hand. So that's going to be part of your sills and rockers. We've got the left-hand side. Then we've got a left-hand complete rocker. And this is going to be the right-hand side rocker. It's really nice, really good quality. Feels good. It's got a nice weight to it. Good thick metal. I'd say this is about 18 gauge. We'll put a gauge on it and see. This is good. This is really nice looking stuff. The exterior is not wavy, so this should be really nice. A lot of times when you get aftermarket sheet metal, it's full of waves, little dents and dings. All of this so far seems really, really nice. I haven't noticed any bad wavy spots or anything. Now, of course, you can't tell until you fully sand it, but feeling it over with hand, it feels pretty good. And then this is our front valance. Real nice. It's got a nice electric coat on it, so it'll, stay not rusty for a long time while you're working on your car. Okay. That looks like it's it for this box. Let's go check out the other one. Alright, now I'm pretty sure I know what's in this. I think this is our hood, but let's find out. Get a razor blade. Lots and lots of bubble wrap, so they definitely take care of packing list. Yeah, that's what this is right here. So let's see if we can get this out. Make sure there's nothing else in here. Hood. Well packed, the corners are protected with corner protectors. Oh boy. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, this is nice. Yeah, that's nice. That feels good. It's really smooth. I think that'll block out nice and clean. I'm not feeling anything. No dents, dings, waves. This is why we use Moss Motors, because the parts that you get are top quality. So the first thing we're going to do on our MGB GT, once we get it back in the shop, we're going to completely strip it down. We're going to strip down the interior. We're going to take all the exterior body panels off that need to be removed for what we're doing. So that's hood, all the trim, the bumpers, etc. And we're going to start with the rust repair. We're going to attack those rockers first. Get driver and passenger side, then we'll get into the fenders and the quarters and all that good stuff. Then we'll get into the wiring. Once we get that all done, then we'll get the rest of the parts on the way, and we're gonna show you guys how to do it for your project. Thanks for watching Red Dirt Rods. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Let's make magic.